In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how you can force restart your iPhone 15 and onwards. If you find this video helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for even more tech tips just like this. Say your phone is frozen, unresponsive, or even acting strangely, a force restart can often fix that issue without affecting any of your data. Not to mention, it's healthy to just force restart your phone occasionally to prevent any issues happening in the future. In order to force restart your phone, you need to quickly press and release the volume up button, and then quickly press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button, aka the power button, just for a little bit of time. Now, if your phone is frozen, the screen might stay black or stuck for a brief moment. Just keep holding down that side button until you see that Apple logo appear. Once that Apple logo does show, simply go ahead and release the button and your phone will fully restart and your issue should hopefully be resolved. If you do have any issues during this process, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.